Markets was sideways today in the first half of the day on the expiry, and the second half was a little negative and did broke the previous lows. So I think the short term trend and the medium term trend both remains negative, and I'll be expecting a more selling pressure coming going ahead. So now overall on the charts, this is a daily chart where I'll be expecting markets to slide down till at least 4900, where this upward sloping trend line is placed. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are in the sell side. Overall on the daily charts, lower tops lower bottom formation has been formed. On the hourly charts, we've been making this channel which has broken on the downside, forming a triangular pattern on the hourly charts, taking resistance at 20 hourly moving average. The momentum indicator has again gone into a sell side, and I'll be expecting markets to go down to at least 4900, which is the exact level where this the downward sloping trend line is placed. On the bank nifty, I'll be expecting markets to take bank nifty to consolidate a bit over here at the lower end of the Bollinger Band on the daily charts. The momentum indicator still is at on the negative side, but a 5-wave decline has just completed on the daily chart. So I think a small consolidation around these levels, and then the breakdown on the downside. So overall, the bias remains negative on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty. The strategy should be to sell on rise, where I'll be expecting Nifty to go down till at least 4900, and the supports for Bank Nifty would be around 9872 and 9584. The resistance for Bank Nifty would be 10243 and 10621. Stock specific, Sterlite looks extremely negative today. It has given a break on the downside. The momentum indicators are into sell on the daily charts. The support and resistance, support would be around 95 and 88, where the previous swing low is placed, and I'll be expecting Sterlite to go down till at least 88 levels. The resistance would be around 102 and 106. The second stock would be Tata Power. Similarly, similar to Sterlite, the stock is expected to go down till at least the previous swing low, which is placed around 86 levels. It has just broken down from this consolidation pattern on the daily charts. The momentum indicator has given us sell signal trading below the zero line. The resistance is placed at 97 and 101. So overall, friends, the markets have cracked down, and I'll be expecting markets to go down till at least 4900 levels in the short term outlook, and in the medium term outlook I'll be expecting markets to go down till at least 45 levels, and the strategy should be to sell on rise. The weakest would be the banking sector and the metal sector, where I'll be expecting the previous swing lows to be retested. Thank you so much.